If you want to turn on feed reminders in Facebook, this quick tutorial will walk you through the exact steps in just a moment. This is a useful setting if you want Facebook to help remind you about content you've saved, so you can come back to it more easily later. Before we jump in, if this video helps you out, please go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe for more simple step-by-step tutorials. It really helps the channel, and it only takes a second. Now, let's get started. First, open Facebook in your browser and make sure you're logged into the account where you want to change this setting. Once you're signed in, take a look at the left side menu on Facebook's homepage. You should see an option called Saved. This is where Facebook stores posts, links, videos, and other content you've saved for later. Click Saved to open your saved items page. After that, look toward the top left area of the page for the settings icon. Depending on your layout, it may appear as a small gear or settings symbol. Click that settings icon to open the Saved Settings menu. Inside this menu, find the option labeled Feed Reminders. This is the setting you're looking for. All you need to do is toggle Feed Reminders on. Once the switch is enabled, Facebook will start showing reminders related to your saved feed content. That's really all there is to it. You've now turned on feed reminders in Facebook. If you ever want to come back and turn it off, just follow the same steps and switch it off again. I hope this tutorial made it easy to follow along. If it did, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you want help with another Facebook setting. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.